I woke up at 5 a.m. today. It felt impossible. The bed was warm, my mind whispered. Just 5 more minutes? But I forced myself up. Discipline starts with one choice. Cold shower. No phone, no comfort. Just me versus me. Every cell in my body screamed, "Why are you doing this?" My body ached. My mind wanted rest. But I promised myself, no quitting. Every temptation was louder now. Social media, comfort food, sleep. Discipline means saying no to the easy things, and yes to the things that make you grow. By now, my brain started to fight back. It told me I wasn't strong enough. But I was done believing my doubts. Every morning I rose before the sun. The silence at 5 a.m. became my favorite sound. My habits began to take shape. The pain turned into rhythm. The chaos in my head started to fade. Discipline was no longer punishment. It became freedom. I stopped chasing motivation. I started building consistency. Every day I got 1% better. I realized progress doesn't shout. It whispers. And those whispers became confidence. The old me started to disappear. I didn't need to prove anything anymore. Discipline became part of who I am. It wasn't about being perfect. It was about never giving up. 30 days felt like a lifetime of lessons. I learned that comfort is the real enemy, that pain is the doorway to growth, that success isn't a moment, it's a mindset, and the journey never truly ends. I started to love the feeling of progress. The mirror didn't show abs yet, but it showed confidence. Every drop of sweat started to mean something. I learned to push. When my mind screamed, "Stop," discipline was building something deeper. Respect for myself. The phone lost its power over me. The noise of the world started to fade. I could finally hear my own thoughts again. Sleep felt earned, not wasted. Food became fuel, not comfort. I learned that rest isn't quitting, it's recharging. My mornings turned from pain to power. The snooze button, it no longer existed. Reading became my new escape. I realized every page was a new version of me. The gym became my therapy. Pain became the signal, not to stop, but to grow. Failure didn't hurt anymore. It guided me. I stopped asking for an easy life. I started asking for strength instead. Every small win stacked up silently. Until one day, I realized I was unstoppable. People noticed something different. But they didn't see the battles I fought alone. Only I knew how far I'd come. I realized discipline builds freedom. Freedom builds confidence. Confidence builds success. Success builds peace. And peace is the ultimate goal. If you want to change your life, stop waiting for motivation. Start building discipline. Start today. Because 30 days from now, you'll thank yourself